Alright, guys. I just woke up. I'm looking at Cybl. You guys know I got a grand at 0.0147. I'm not concerned one bit. We got the moon markets and the pumpers out of here. We got those people out of here. He's gonna move on, go touch some other play, and pump that low float, no volume, and then bring the volume to that. It goes 100%. People get excited. Woo, 100% move. Look at me. But it's a pump and dump. It's very well orchestrated. The legality of it, not my concern. I'm here to make money for myself. Sitting at 0.0135 right now. Again, I would wait to see if it comes down to 1 penny. That's what I'm waiting for. I already got a grand in, but I am tempted to add another grand here. But I'm going to give it one more day. Going to give it one more day to see if we actually bounce here. Because of the cross under here on the MACD. The cross under in the MACD usually means downside. So, we got the crossover, and that was, upside, obviously. So, we would expect the opposite. We would expect some downside. But I'm going to give it one more day in case this is a fake out and we actually do end up bouncing. Or going sideways here between 1 penny and 2 cents, which would be fine by me. Hey, if you guys have been around since 2021, you guys remember when this one bottomed out at 1 penny and we just kept flipping it for 20, 30%. And then it ran at 2.5 cents, so that was a nice little 150%. So that's what I'm looking at. It's just the same. Nothing has changed really, right? If it had never gone into CE, we'd be sitting it'd be right at 1 penny. I know people are going to disagree with that and say, oh no, if the CE wasn't there, we would have gone to the moon. Like it did right now? Because a lot of you were saying, oh, you're going to miss out. Don't listen to this guy. Okay, so I'm telling you not to chase, and I'm going to miss out. But the people that chase, they're stuck up there at almost 2 pennies, holding a bag, hoping it comes back up for them. Whereas I just added a little nothing position here at 0.0147. So I'm sitting pretty, I'm sleeping good. I probably had the best sleep, actually. Imagine lump summing at 2 cents thinking it's going to go to... Ridiculous. People are so stupid. You saw it live, too. That's what's so funny. Like, oh, you're wrong. You don't know what you're doing. Yeah, I do. I know what I'm doing. It's called a pump and dump, and I'm not going to partake. I will wait for for the pumpers to get out, and they're out. They're gone. They're going to go chase some other penny stock up or some other low float small cap. So the share price should start moving based off of people actually like the stock and want to hold it because it's the buy and holders. You maybe. I don't know. I'm pointing for some reason at the camera. But yeah, I just woke up, so I'm not going to use the webcam. But anyways, yeah, the buy and holders are the ones that hold up the share price. Not pumpers. Pumpers don't hold up the share price. They don't. They pump it and they dump it. Eyeless, pump, dump. Pretty self-explanatory. Let me see. Oops. Where's... I just lost my train of thought. Where's Cybl? Why can't... Oh, there it is. So the pumper numbers are useless. They're worthless. They're only worthwhile if you're in their Discord and you're able to get in as soon as they alert it. Because then the pump comes in. You want to be the first in and the last... You don't want to be the last out the door. You want to be the first one in as soon as moon market alerts it and then get out as soon as it pumps 50% and let other people hold it thinking it's going to go to the moon. So you take advantage of the pump and you dump it on the people that keep chasing. With them out of the way, though, we can see where the buy and holders are going to... The longs, the true longs, not the fake longs. The true longs, the ones that are actually holding for, 100,000%, dollars, whatever ridiculous price target they want to put on it. Those are the ones that are going to hold it. They're going to hold it somewhere. Whether it's at 1 penny or 0.008. I don't know where they love it. They love it at some share price. I don't know what that share price is going to be. If it's going to be at 1 penny, 1.2, that's fine by me. I'm going to just continue to accumulate for the next run. The next run that doesn't involve some big Discord or Telegram group pumping it. You look at Tilray as an example. This thing has held its bottom since June of last year. I just flipped it today. I don't usually alert Tilray on YouTube or on Discord. I alert that on Twitter. Literally, my alerts on Twitter are mainly just mainly Tilray. So you see this bottom. It's held for over a year. Earnings, had a bad earnings, but whatever. Look, Look, this long wick here on this earnings dump, I bet you a lot of people were scared. Like, oh no, we're going to go down. We're going to go to, under $1. Oh no. And look where it is now. That's why I bought it and flipped it, because I like money, first of all. And it's good for flipping. It just needs weed news for it to move. But the point I'm trying to make is, you see these long wicks. This tells the story. People love it under 170. People love it at around 150. The longs, the buy and holders, I don't know why they're accumulating it. Sure. I mean, they obviously believe that Tilray is going to go to the moon, just as much as Cybl shareholders believe their stock is so special and it's going to go to the moon. So the buy and holders are going to show us where they love it. If they love it at 1 penny, it's going to hold 1 penny indefinitely. It did that last time. It was the CE that caused it to break under a penny. Without that CE, we would have stayed above a penny, in my opinion. Because this is no ILIS or AITX. This is far and wide a superior stock and company, in my opinion. And I know some of you bought at 0.012. Some of you are still holding in double zeros. But I'm going to wait and see. One more day. Wait one more day, in my opinion, to see if this is going to start going sideways. Because here's the thing. Without volume, without people pumping it, what happens? You guys know what happens. Without volume, without people pumping it, what happens? It just consolidates and goes sideways because no one wants it. You want a perfect example of that? AITX. Consolidates, goes sideways, no one wants it, and then boom, everyone wants it. They're chasing it up for people like me who bought it down here when no one wanted it, and I make my 300, 200, 500%, whatever. Whenever you sold in this huge 500% run. Here ran 200%. Nobody wanted it. It's just slowly falling, going sideways. Nobody wants it, and then boom, everyone wants it. The volume comes in. They push it up for us. We dump it on their heads. So that's what's going to happen. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for that barcoding action. I'm looking for that nobody wants it action, whatever kind of action you want to call it. That's what I call it, the nobody wants it action. That's when you want to buy, not when it's being pumped and dumped. Hopefully some of you newer people are learning from this. This is how I trade. I just wait. I can wait. So many people thought it was going to go to dollars, 10 cents. You're going to miss out. 6.5 cents is next. All that nonsense. I don't fall for that. I look at that and I'm like, yeah, I don't know who's stupid enough to fall for that, but I'm going to wait for the longs to show me where to buy. AITX, they've already shown me where to buy. 002, 003, I'm in with Tony K on that one. I can wait. I got plenty of years ahead, I hope. Knock on wood. But same thing. The play is the same regardless. The play is the same despite Cybl being the superior stock. Despite AITX being horrible on the financials and the massive dilution they do the horrible share structure, the play is still the same. Nobody wants it. It starts going sideways and then kaboom on news or on a pump and dump, and we dump it on their heads. I woke up late on this day. On this big green candle, I woke up late. I did not want to chase. I looked at everyone getting excited and I'm like, okay, so this is going to get pump and dumped. Once you get moon market in, then there's a bunch of other telegrams and discords that are going to jump in too. And I knew right then and there, it's best not to chase. Let's just wait. I can be patient. And if you can be patient, you're going to make a lot of money. Okay? I think that's it. That's all I have to say. I mean, so many people were telling me, oh, you're going to miss out. You're going to cause other people to miss out. Now who looks stupid? Yeah, I'm going to talk some smack. Of course. You were talking smack. You don't think I'm going to talk back and tell you like what you were saying? I can't hear you. But either way, if you want to make money, subscribe. Get ready. I'm probably going to buy another $1,000 batch here. I'm thinking of it. I haven't alerted it in the Discord. I'm thinking about it though. I might alert another 1,000 here. But we'll see. I'll alert. I'll let you guys know. Not adding big. Wait for it to wait for the longs to show us where we're at. Am I repeating myself? Yes, because I just hit the 8-minute mark. Boom.